My parents just landed. My hubby went to go get them. There they are. They had like a 5-hour flight. They must be tired. It's like 12:30 in the morning right now. Welcome back to another vlog. It's Saturday. We picked up my parents last night. My mom's right here and we're headed to our first Pilates class together. I'm so excited. How are you feeling?
Great.
Yeah, are you excited?
Yes.
I'm excited to see how you do. So it's a level 1 Pilates class. It's gonna be super easy, but I think she's gonna love it. We picked up my parents like at 12:30 last night. We were up till like 2 in the morning chatting. The boys are still sleeping. They're tired. They're getting their beauty rest. And after this Pilates class, my mom and I are gonna go back to the apartment, freshen up, and then we're gonna go have brunch. We have reservations. Then we're gonna go for a walk and possibly get a pedicure later. It's much needed on my end. My toes are looking super crusty right now. How about you?
Yeah. haven't been able to catch up on that.
I need a pedicure pretty bad, so I'm looking forward to it. And it's a lovely day. It's 68 degrees and the high is gonna be 86 today. It's gonna be freaking hot. So I hope you're ready, girl. I hope you're ready for this North Carolina humidity. Hopefully it's not too bad today. Yeehaw! Whenever I do my hair like this, I always feel like I'm channeling Marge Simpson with this large bun on my head.
Homie.
Oh, homie. Yay, Pilates.
Flex forward and stack your spine. Do that a couple of for 3, 2. Going long to the front of your body. 2. For 3, 2. Back towards the center of the studio. And then you go into your cat, dropping the chin to chest.
We forgot to put the champagne in the fridge, so it's not cold, but my dad said it's fine.
Yeah, the orange juice is cold. We're good.
Darn it, I dropped the ball on that one. Mom! Woo! Want a hot dog real bad.
This place, my hair tied.
Just for color.
Yeah.
Here, baby, you do it, please. TJ Maxx, girl. Right?
Don't get that on camera.
I never use them either. Cheers. No, I know, but it's just she do predictions and stuff like that. Cheers. Happy Easter.
Categories, at least I view them as, right? Like usually it's like science, math, biology.
I'm being healthy. I got a little.
He was saying how each one.
I got a little vegetable juice.
Circle to each.
Dig in. Oh, this looks good.
Yeah, we're gonna run a 5K.
So pretty. We just dropped the boys off at the sports bar and we're about to go get a pedicure. Gonna have some TLC, much needed.
Nail kitchen, how cute.
Right? They have like a full bar and everything.
What?
Oh my god. They have Nemo and Dory in there. So cute. So what did you honestly think about today's Pilates class? Did you like it?
Yeah, it was like.
Do you feel like it could have been harder?
I drank last night, so it could have, you know, I
Right.
hadn't drank in a long time.
Uh-huh.
And like I said, I had 3 doubles, so that was perfect.
Right, okay, good. So I'm glad it wasn't too difficult then. So on a scale of
I'm
1 to 10,
inspired.
how would you rate it?
10?
10?
10.5.
Oh, okay. She's a Pilates princess.
I think so. I've always wanted to. I told you the most beautiful body, sculpted body I saw. She did Pilates. She works up at the college now.
Oh,
though.
okay.
But when I saw her, I was like, her core was like, that's the core that my core needs to get there. Has it changed your core?
A little bit, a little bit. I feel like the classes could be a little bit more difficult. That's
So
why I
you need to
asked.
move on.
Yeah, exactly. I usually always get white, but I think I'm gonna go with pink today. I think I'm gonna do 134. Why do you say that? Wow. Wow.
I kind of.
Skippies.
Oh.
Love it, no sulfates then, huh?
We're having a little self-care
What are the
night.
ingredients in here? Wow. Oh, look at it. That suds up a little bit.
Yeah, you can like double cleanse with it if you want to.
Now I'm good. Okay, here we go.
Light setting for both of them.
Did you get this for free or did you
Yeah,
pay for it?
I got it for free. It's like $300.
I saw these
Dr.
at
Dennis
Sephora.
Gross.
I saw these at Sephora.
Yeah, that's where they sell it.
How much are they? $200-$300?
It's like $300. Yeah, it's expensive.
Oh, it's infrared, right?
Yeah,
Red and blue. Yeah, that's what the extraterrestrials have introduced to us to hear about the extraterrestrials.
No, I know. Here she goes again. Just kidding.
The Super Greens Blend Balm. Okay. That's awesome, Angel. Angel, this is fast.
Right?
Doctor Who?
Dr. Dennis Gross.
Wow.
Weird name, right?
Love it. Oh yeah, Dr. Gross. I saw that right when we walked in. I was like, why would it be named that?
Right, Dr. Gross.
Yeah, come on now. It's your name
Seriously.
change.
I just asked her when the last time she did a sheet mask was, and what did you say?
Never. This will be the first time.
Oh my god, I'm popping your sheet mask cherry, and it's a good one.
Is it?
Korean skincare. Just isn't made big enough for my mouth, but that one on perfect.
Angel,
This
you're
is a night mask.
sweet, Angel.
This is
You're
a
so sweet.
Laneige. It's like a lip wrapping mask that year. It's super popular. Cute. Loves it.
Tanya, come here, turn off the lights. Come out.
Yeah, we should. Let me put mine on. We'll scare them. Oh, we're cute. That's cute. What do you mean? Got Easter breakfast cooking. It's delicious. Happy Easter. We're currently on our way to go play pickleball. It's gonna be my parents' first time playing. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm really excited to see how they do, and we're probably gonna have to do girls versus boys and see who wins.
Ooh.
I think we'll win. Yeah, because my mom's pretty aggressive.
No,
and she's,
I'm not gonna be aggressive.
well, you used to play racquetball, so.
You know a different version of me, and I don't even.
Well, yeah, nothing's right. No, it's good being aggressive with
I drive
sports.
around with a racket in my trunk, and I don't even use it.
You have a racket in your trunk?
Yeah, that's how aggressive I am.
It's like a weapon just in case you need it. We had a nice Easter brunch, and then after we play pickleball, we're gonna go for a walk at the park and just relax the rest of the day, right?
Get some lunch later.
Yeah, get some lunch later and then go to the beach tomorrow. It's like 80 degrees today. It's super hot.
80 degrees is super hot.
It is. With this humidity, 80 feels like 100.
Oh.
It can anyway. All right, Mom and I will be on this side. won 11-9. We were about to catch up and win, huh, Mom?
Angel, you're all out there.
We almost won, but my parents are naturals at pickleball. I'm so impressed. Chris and I are both like, what? We think you guys are better than we were when we started. You guys are picking it up really easily. How do you like it?
Teachers, yeah. Yeah, he taught me a lot just about the scoring, how it, yeah, I didn't know that, and I thought I'd learn it at the tournament.
Yeah.
I didn't learn it. No.
Really? Oh,
So now
wow,
I know,
yeah. Yay, they're having fun. I'm so glad. Cheers, happy Easter. We came bowling last minute. We're lane 14. Get in here, Mom.
Pickleball and bowling.
I know. Nice. Yeah. Love to see it. That's good. Yay! That's how it's done. Nice. Wow, good job. Connect your toes to each other. Can you connect your heels too? Can you connect your heels and your toes?
Oh man.
Or is it like that? Or is it like...
Is this a ballerina?
Harry.
I mean, do like a little dance. Do like a little dance. Do like a little in and out. Drink it, Mom. Baby, you're not in. You gotta get in more. You gotta drink your drink.
So natural. Act natural.
Happy Monday. We're on our way to the beach. We're like 5 minutes away, and we picked up some Jersey mics. We got some cold ones ready to go, so we're just gonna spend a couple of hours here. It's my parents' first time coming to the beach, so I'm excited for them to see it. It's like 80 degrees today, and it's our first beach trip of the year, so I'm super happy. Woo! Okay. All right, good luck.
Oh hell no. Crazy.
Down to the no. Oh, he jumped in. Oh shit. Woo! Give me a little spirit fingers. Cute. Do you love them?
Love them.
So cute. They match her petty too.
Of course, darling. Got my nails did
So
too.
cute.
Ooh, 3, 2, 1.
Sippy.
3, 2, 1.
Of course. Thank you for everything, Mom. Such a great trip. Kiss on the lips.
What?
Really?
Anyways. What the hell?
Okay. What? Okay.
Alright, I think we got
Gotcha.
Yeah, you did.
And the scary part is like, I feel like, yeah, it would be believable coming from me. Did we get some cute ones? Should we do anything else? Maybe like a huggy one. Looking at each other. Cheers.
Cheers, please.
Loves it. Yay!
Wow, look at that.
Aren't we bougie?
And it's high. Look how high mine is.
I love it. That's how it should be. That's how the girls look on Pinterest.
For real?
Yeah, it's cute. Now kiss me on the lips. Everything,
Yeah.
Mom? Thank you so much for everything.
Yeah.
Love you. Bye, Dad. Thank you for everything. So glad you guys came out. You guys have a safe trip back, okay? Text me when you land. Bye. There they go.